It is back to school time and everyone is looking to find an affordable lightweight laptop. So today we are going to review BMAX Y11 2-in-1 laptop, an affordable lightweight machine for back to school. By the way, if you haven't heard of the BMAX brand, don't worry. The company was established only in summer of 2019. But soon everyone will be talking about this new company because the new laptops they are producing are really interesting and affordable. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, let's talk about the specs. The machine comes with 8th Gen Intel Gemini Lake processor. It's a quad-core processor, Windows 10 Home 64-bit operating system, Intel Graphics 600 series, 8GB of DDR4 RAM, 256GB M.2 SATA SSD, 11.6-inch UHD IPS glossy multi-touch screen, 720p HD camera, built-in 2-channel speakers, 802.11ac Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth 4.2, and it produces up to 8 hours of battery life, and it weighs only 2.2 pounds. The BMAX MaxBook Y11 body is made of metal and plastic, and the details are quite good. The position of the brand logo is placed on the upper right side of the back of the screen. Although it is 2-in-1 metal body, its outer casing is made of all aluminum. The attention to detail and build quality is top-notch. It is about 13mm thin and weighs only 2.2 pounds or 1 kg. It is less than the thickness of a book, so it can easily fit in a backpack and carry around school or college campus. BMAX Y11 is equipped with latest range of ports including 1 micro USB 3 port, 1 micro HDMI port, 1 micro SD card slot, headphone jack, 1 built-in microphone, volume control, and a power button. The laptop has 720 front camera. The location of the webcam is a little awkward, but can get the job done. The camera's picture quality is enough for video calls like Skype or other applications. The BMAX MaxBook Y11 has a design that is simple and clean. The machine adopts a narrow bezel design, which makes the body of 11.6-inch screen a full circle smaller than the traditional notebook. The BMAX Y11 display has very thin bezels, only 5mm thick, and the laptop is available in 11.6-inch screen size, and it is an IPS display. The 4-sided nano edge design gives BMAX Y11 a frameless, almost bezel-free display. The 11.6-inch touchscreen with full HD 1080p resolution lets you view content in vibrant clarity, and in fact it has 97% sRGB and 73% AdobeRGB, meaning it covers the color gamut really well. So if you're using Photoshop and Adobe products, then it is definitely a good choice. The laptop has 10-point multi-touch display, works very well when you flip 360 degrees to use the laptop into a tablet mode. The user has an option to use notebook in 6 different modes, whatever is convenient for the user to use. For example, tent and stand mode can be used to watch YouTube or Netflix, and of course, you can put it in a tablet mode. Since it is very light and thin, it makes a great tablet. The touchscreen response is great and fast, and makes it very versatile. The BMAX Y11 visuals are handled by integrated Intel UHD 600 graphics. Watching YouTube or Netflix 4K content looks really good, and this display works very well in low light conditions. As far as the brightness concerned, it comes around 295 nits, means laptop screen is good for indoor or outdoor use. The BMAX Y11 keyboard is good for longer typing experience. This is a fast, quiet, and reliable keyboard. The pressure point is only slightly noticeable, and the feedback of the key is a little bit stiff. On the other hand, the key size and arrangement are very good. There's no backlight on the keyboard, and it is understandable considering the price point. And as far as the touchpad concerned, it is a decent sized touchpad, and it is also precision touchpad, means it is very responsive and precise. In the performance section, our BMAX Y11 is equipped with Intel Gemini Lake N4100 processor. The low power processor uses up to 6 watts and has 4 cores with the base clock speed of 1.1 GHz, which can increase up to 2.4 GHz. This processor is used in mid-range laptops. Its performance is sufficient for everyday general usage and office tasks. Our unit scored 196 points in Cinebench multi-thread CPU performance benchmark running at 1.1 GHz. which is on par with the competition in its class. And in CPU Z benchmark, laptop CPUs score 534 points in multi-thread and 133 points in single-thread applications. In the storage solution, BMAX Y11 offers excellent read and write rates that are well over average in its class. Our unit scored 466 megabits per second read and 438 megabits write in SSD benchmark, thanks to its M.2 256GB SSD. If single 256GB SSD isn't big enough, you have an option to upgrade in the future if you want a bigger drive. In the graphics, laptop is powered by Intel UHD Graphics 600 processor. It's not powerful enough to play the most demanding titles, but it's great for popular multiplayer titles like Fortnite, Overwatch, or Rocket League. The BMAX Y11 comes with Intel AC 3165 802.11 AC wireless card, which supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz dual band with a max speed of 433 megabits per second. The laptop motherboard supports M.2 wireless card form factor, so you have an option to upgrade or replace your wireless card if you want in the future. When it comes to audio, the BMAX Y11 powered by dual stereo speakers with enough sound to fill a small room. In the battery life department, BMAX Y11 has 3500 mAh battery unit. The 3500 mAh battery can provide between 5 to 6 hours of runtime depending on your usage, which is plenty enough for daily usage, or students for on-campus projects or taking notes during classes. Laptop comes with USB-C power supply capable of charging 50% in just 1 hour due to its fast charging technology. When it comes to upgradability, BMAX Y11 allows you to upgrade most of the components. You can access the laptop motherboard by removing the screws from the back cover. You can replace the Wi-Fi module and add bigger M.2 form factor hard drive. In the CPU cooling department, temperature never crossed 90 degrees during our tests, which means cooling is sufficient enough to keep the laptop temperature under control during gaming or CPU-intensive workloads. BMAX Y11 is a really decent machine. In my opinion, it is one of the best budget laptops by price to quality ratio. It has slim metal body, convertible design of 360 degrees, touchscreen, 11.6-inch IPS Full HD display, 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, 256 GB of M.2 SSD, and up to 6 hours of battery life. BMAX Y11 has all the latest features with great build quality, makes it a top contender to be the best budget laptop for those looking for a comfortable portable laptop with good performance for everyday tasks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.